up, guys? Tony here.
And Anth with Anthony Hookah and HookahPro.com, bringing you guys a Shisha review on Hookah Freak Scooby Snack. And I'll bring you guys in on this. Scooby Snack, and I don't know if you see the cut because the canister's black, but it's very, very finely cut.
Yep.
Very, very small.
It's pretty juicy, but not.
Yeah, it's decently wet.
Yeah, but not very wet like from our ear.
And from these canisters, you're gonna want to, before you pack your bowl, just kind of like shake it a little bit, just to get all the juice from the bottom to the top.
Yeah, turn the can upside down and just shake it
for like a good minute.
Yeah, that should be fine.
And we're smoking out of the KM Tri-Metal Double Heart with the Tangier Small Funnel Bowl, the Lotus with 3 coals, and the Social Smoke. I said Sahara Smoke because.
Oh yeah.
Social Smoke, Pro Lime Shows, and the diffuser.
Cocoa Buzz Coals.
Cocoa Buzz Coals.
Cocoa Buzz Coals. You want to give me the can?
That was a terrible throw. It was behind the back.
Behind the back, Jack.
Exactly.
Anyway, get into the smell. Well, you smell it first.
Okay.
You smell it first.
This is a weird flavor because when you smell it, you smell like a Grammy, it smells like a graham cracker with fruit, and I feel like it's a melon, like a cantaloupe. It smells like cantaloupe. It smells like cantaloupe and like a graham cracker, I think.
Okay, let's see what I think. Yeah, it's very weird. It's I can definitely see what he's saying, graham cracker, definitely. And there is fruit. I just can't put my finger on what it is. Maybe cantaloupe. I don't know.
It's so itchy.
Possibly cantaloupe.
Possibly. Who knows? See, with these, you don't know what's in there.
Yep.
These are like a just guess.
Yeah.
They have descriptions on their website, but they never say specifically what's in it.
Yeah, it's like
a
fruity blend.
Yeah, creamy. Not a creamy, but they just say stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Just like hinting what it is.
Mm-hmm. But they don't say like exactly what flavors are in this. So it's all guessing.
And the clouds, they're not big. They're like a 6, but the flavor is really good.
Yep. I'm definitely gonna say 5.5 for clouds are really not that big at all.
But the flavor, I personally think that it tastes like a Nutri-Grain bar because of that Grammy taste, the Nutri-Grain, and then also the fruit filling inside of the Nutri-Grain bar. I know they probably don't have a melon one, but that's just what I think it tastes like.
Yeah, I agree with that. Kind of creamy. Could taste like graham cracker, definitely. I just can't figure out what kind of fruit it is. It's weird. Yeah, there you go.
And what else?
It's hard to really explain this brand's flavors because it's really up in the air as far as what it actually is. Except for we reviewed Atomic Fireball, which is obviously, Atomic Fireball.
In the flavor, I said it was a cantaloupe? In the flavor, it's not. I have no idea what it is.
Yeah. It smells like cantaloupe, tastes like...
I have no idea.
Something fruity.
But smoking these is fun. Because when you're smoking it, you're trying to...
pick out which flavors in there.
Yeah, you're trying to pinpoint exactly what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Which also can be frustrating.
Yeah. We were watching the Bruins game earlier, and we were smoking this, and I was like, what is it? I can't figure out what exactly is in this flavor. But, yeah. It's still good, though.
It kind of tastes like a berry. Some type of berry.
Yeah, it's kind of bitter.
But I don't know. If I was,
Didn't help.
it doesn't taste like a blueberry.
No.
Maybe a raspberry. Maybe.
I was thinking that, but I wasn't sure.
It might be raspberry, but... And heat management, I've had trouble with hookah flavors. As far as heat management, because they're kind of dicey.
So we're gonna go medium with heat management.
Yeah. I don't... If you know how to get this brand really going, tell me in the comments. Because I just pack it in the small funnel, a little bit dense, but not really. And I throw coals on, see what happens.
Yep.
This one's actually going pretty good, though.
Yeah. So flavor density, I'm gonna say,
Give it 7. 7.5. How about that? And I've also noticed with these flavors, they don't last very long.
yeah, I agree with that. I'd say,
Beginning of the smoke, it was like a 7.5, and now it's probably like a 6.5, 7.
yeah, I'm gonna agree with that. 7.5 went really going as good as we can get it, at least.
But it is a very interesting flavor, and I would recommend you try it out.
Yeah. A bunch of these flavors we have Snickerdoodle, Half Baked, this, Atomic Fireball, and the Dude. And they're all very different in the way they smell and taste. And they're good. I like these flavors. The only thing, I don't know, I like to play with my smoke whenever I smoke, and I just wish the clouds are bigger. But kind of minor complaints, but that's alright.
Overall, I really, really, really like the taste of this flavor. So forget about everything else, and I'll just give it an 8.
Yeah. I like this flavor too, but I wish it was a little more
Cloud productive.
collaborative and more intense, but I'm still going to give it a solid 7.5.
Alright, so 7.5 and an 8. And that wraps this one up.
Yeah.
It was been Scooby Snack from Hookah Freak.
Hookah Freak. Hookah. That's enough of that.